Becoming part of a small group for married couples typically involves joining a group therapy or counseling session designed to support marriages by improving communication, resolving conflicts, and strengthening emotional bonds. This group setting offers shared experiences, guided exercises, and professional facilitation, allowing couples to learn healthier relationship skills in a supportive environment. Example of small group therapy for married couples. One realistic example is transactional analysis, TA, group therapy, which has been shown to improve marital adjustment and affectional expression. In a study comparing experimental group therapy participants to control groups, the therapy group showed significant improvement in marital adjustment scores, e.g., post-test mean scores of 94.71 versus control group mean of 90.02, and affection expression, indicating stronger emotional connection after group sessions. These improvements were retained over time, although with some decline, demonstrating the lasting impact of small group therapy. Historical recorded facts. A recorded real-life case from India involves couples seeking marriage counseling through a professional named Shivani Misri Sadhu. One couple, a VR, after 10 years of marriage facing emotional distance and frequent arguments, participated in structured group-based therapy sessions incorporating evidence-based interventions like those of the Gottman method. Over several months, they notably improved communication, reduced trivial fights, rebuilt trust, and rediscovered emotional intimacy, ultimately strengthening their marriage beyond prior expectations. Other couples similarly benefited from such small group counseling, addressing complex issues like cultural conflicts and emotional hollowness, with measurable improvements in their relationships. Small group therapy for married couples provides a collaborative, supportive environment for relationship repair and growth. Proven methods like transactional analysis group therapy statistically improve marital adjustment and emotional connection. Real documented cases show significant positive changes in communication, conflict handling, and intimacy after participating in structured small group counseling sessions. This illustrates how joining a small group for married couples can lead to meaningful, evidence-based improvements in marital relationships. A notable historical case study of successful couples group therapy comes from the Evidence-Based Therapy Center involving a couple named Anna and Brian. They came to therapy on the verge of relationship breakdown, facing communication issues, lack of intimacy, and differing life motivations. After participating in structured couples therapy sessions that included group elements, they resolved their difficulties, rebuilt trust, and improved emotional connection significantly. The case highlights how couples facing common relational challenges can benefit from professional interventions in a supportive group setting, leading to measurable improvements before their planned wedding. Additionally, data from the American Association for Marriage and Family Therapy, AMFT, shows around 75% of couples report improvements after therapy, with many sustaining these benefits long term. Various approaches, including cognitive behavioral and emotionally focused therapies, have well-documented success in group and individual formats, providing evidence-backed solutions for relationship distress. Thus, the combination of clinical case examples and broad statistical data supports the effectiveness of couples group therapy, both historically and in modern practice. If you want any help in your marriage life, please ask your questions or share your problems with me in comment section and I will be happy to give you solution for that problem in next video. We will meet in next video with a great solution and a secret for happy married life. Till then, stay happy and don't forget to subscribe and like my channel.